From your keyboard, press the Alt button. Don't remove your finger and press the Tab button, and this will help you to open, like to navigate between open applications. Okay, you use the arrow button or the arrow key from your keyboard. Once you select it, it will open. Let me press again Alt plus the Tab button. Okay, Premiere Pro. So that is it. That is the shortcut for navigating between open applications. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.